We are finally back in the kitchen. It has been so long since we've done a cooking video.
Super long.
We've missed it.
Yeah.
So, we're back with a box, but this is not your typical meal kit box. This is from Authentic Italian Food Experience, and that is exactly what it is. It is a food experience. So this isn't a subscription box or anything like that. It's a one-off. You just go to their site and they're always adding different boxes to their website. So, you know, you try one this month, try a different one next month, give them as a gift. This would make a fabulous gift. In fact, we got this weeks ago, months ago. Oh my gosh, it's been so long.
Yeah, how long do these things keep? Anyway,
I don't know. I'm hoping long enough that it hasn't gone bad.
It's spaghetti, so it can't.
Yeah, and that's the thing, is it is supposed to be all shelf-stable products in here. This isn't the kind of thing that you have to cook right away.
Right.
I hope.
All right, so feeds up to 4, vegan, takes 10 minutes? I mean, it is spaghetti, right?
Yeah, this is a super simple recipe. It's just spaghetti aglio, olio e peperoncino.
Sure. And how much does this cost for up to 4 people?
This particular box, I think, was around $35, I want to say. They have some that are a little bit cheaper, some that are a little more expensive. Kind of depends on which one you want to get. But let's show you what's in the box. The experience. I want you to focus here. I'm drinking Chianti. I would be playing Italian music if YouTube allowed for that sort of thing.
All right, so there's some non-edibles. Nice little card.
Sweet card from the company.
Bag that the card came in.
They're from Sicily. They hope we love this. Share it with someone you love.
It shows the garlic intensity if you want it whole, crushed, diced, or minced. That's depending on how you like the intensity. I like that a lot, actually.
And some tips.
Throw that right
There's some tips up here on how to get an excellent result.
The tradition and history of spaghetti. Talks about the ingredients in your box. And a lovely layout in the box. So some chili pepper. That's exciting.
That's like a brick of chili pepper.
Bean to bar chili pepper. You guys are getting
oh wait,
crazy
this is
with
chocolate.
This. Is it chocolate?
This is chocolate.
Yeah,
no wonder it's a bar.
I'm like, it's a very odd shape for chili pepper. I'm excited about that.
Yeah.
One huge thing of spaghetti. That's a lot of pasta.
That looks like good pasta.
Yeah, this looks like seriously good pasta. I'm very excited about this. Oh, best before December 31st, 2019. Alright, well, we have some pesto de pistachio.
Oops, sorry.
It's cute little pesto de pistachio. A mix for bruschetta with tomatoes and basil. Chili peppers, crushed chili peppers, and some what appears to be olive oil.
Yeah, ooh.
Yeah, so
fancy.
Yeah, totally fancy. Great looking ingredients. Great looking box. It's not just like little paper wrapping in there.
No, this is nice.
This is a pro level packing job on this box.
See what I mean? Wouldn't this make a great gift for somebody?
Yeah, the presentation is really nice.
Yeah.
So right there they've got a couple points. Directions. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. In the microwave you can make this, well, God, I am not able to read today. All right, so the directions, bring a large pot of water to a boil, and it says, in the meanwhile, you can make the sauce. Okay, great, so let's...
Meanwhile, not the microwave.
Yeah, Jesus. Let's boil some water.
All right, I got some water going.
I'll have some more beer, because I can't read today.
So, I noticed there's no garlic in there.
Oh, frick.
From your kitchen, you need salt, garlic, and optional Parmesan cheese. I guess they just figure that everybody has garlic on hand. Okay. Time out. We're making a grocery store run.
We're doing this right, people. We're not using squeezy bottle garlic, and we're not using whatever Oro wheat bread we got in the pantry that has 4 end pieces in it for a while because the kids like to transfer them from one bag to another, and I don't understand why.
Okay, run to the store, get some fresh garlic and some good bread.
Okay, got it.
Okay, Colin ran to the grocery store, got us some garlic and some bread.
Yes. To peel the garlic, you'll need 2 cloves per person. Depending on the intensity you want, crush it, dice it, or mince it. The original recipe was diced. Well, we're doing the original recipe.
Heck yeah, buddy.
Diced and minced look super close together, by the way. For a medium spicy level, mince the chili pepper and add it. The chili pepper?
Yeah, the chili pepper?
Mince it?
Oh.
It's crushed. How are we going to mince it? Does it say you need... Is there another ingredient that it didn't say? Where does it say that which ingredients you need to add? On the website.
On the website.
Okay, that bugs me.
Okay, so instead of mincing, we'll just put some of this in. Yeah.
Okay, so let's peel the garlic. Get 2, 4, 6. Let's get like 8 cloves of garlic. Okay. Seems like a lot of garlic. Maybe 6 cloves of garlic.
Okay, so I'm gonna get us some antipasto ready here.
How's it? Good.
It's actually really good.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would be. I think just jarred.
It's really good.
Like I was thinking it was like with fresh tomatoes and stuff.
Cheers. Why does yours look different? Oh, because
mine is toasted. Yeah. Oh, it's definitely pistachio-y.
Yeah. So if you like pistachios, and you like
pistachio paste
crushed up and put on your bread, and that's exactly for you. I don't know that I like
mean, it's almost like peanut butter, but with it's like pistachio butter. It's not bad. It's just interesting. That bruschetta is amazing.
It's ridiculously good.
You did a good job with that.
Well, thank you. I learned it from the tubes.
Your garlic looks fantastic. Let's cook it.
Let's cook it. All right, back to the instructions. So 4 tablespoons so like 12 tablespoons. Is there 12 tablespoons in there? And 1, and 2. It's gonna be the whole bottle.
Well, maybe that's by design. It smells good.
And 6. Okay. I do actually want to save a little bit of this. It's like the bottom. Yeah, I mean, you could essentially just use the entire bottle of this stuff, but I'm gonna keep a little bit of it because I want to use it for other stuff. Excessive amount of garlic. This is the most garlic that we've ever used in any recipe in my entire life.
It's Italian. I'm really excited about this. We're gonna smell so good.
What's Italian for excessive amounts of garlic? Oh yeah, no, we're gonna smell great. Get your wood spoon, preferably the same one your mother beat you with as a child.
That might be the same one.
Right? Is this from yours or mine? Mine only threatened me. It never actually hit me with it.
I was never hit either. No. Threatened, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
Chased around the house, definitely.
Stir it medium-high heat until the garlic is slightly golden. For a medium spicy, mince some chili pepper, add in 1 teaspoon per person. Cook for 2 minutes, more or less. So I don't know if that's, well, this is probably just throw it in now. I like using this amount though because usually it's this stuff like you're scraping it off the bottom of the pan.
Right. Do you want me to actually measure it?
No, just throw in a couple big. Is it just us eating this?
That's me.
All right.
That's you.
And the kids don't like spicy.
Okay, 1 more good measure.
Yeah. Time to cook the pasta. Add salt to the boiling water. We suggest 1 tablespoon for a large pot. And then add the pasta 7 ounces per person.
7 ounces per person seems like a lot though. Like, I'm used to 2 ounces per person.
Tequila.
I need a better pasta pot. That's all I'm saying.
Right?
I want one of those tall ones you see in restaurants, you know, like a legit pasta pot. I don't think this is big enough for all these. Yeah, I don't know why I thought that pot was gonna be big enough. I'm screwing up my pasta already. We were like, oh, how hard can this be? And here I am screwing things up like as easy as boiling freaking pasta.
Aren't you glad we're back to screw up even the simplest of instructions for you?
Worst cooks. We should be on mail list.
That's why they give you the chocolate. So if you feel bad for screwing something up, you can just.
Can I have some chocolate?
Yes, yes, you can have chocolate. Rough ground chocolate. Here you go. It's fine.
Butchering noodles. Who does that? Oh, that's weird.
That's weird. It's almost like a Rice Krispie treat.
Oh, a spicy one. I can see the sugar crystals.
Yeah, well, that's what they were saying.
I wouldn't call this gross. It's just weird. It's almost like a cookie more than chocolate.
Well, because they said it was like a rough ground. And that's kind of what it seems like, is they just kind of roughly ground something, jammed it into a solid, and then it's not smooth the way that you would expect chocolate to be.
Right.
It's 0% smooth. If you like spicy cookies in the shape of a chocolate bar, pour immediately into the pasta sauce. So that's the pasta sauce?
Mm-hmm.
That's it? It's just olive oil and chunky garlic?
Okay, saving some pasta water.
Making more bruschetta.
Okay, let's drink. Oh, it's hot. Ouch. Ow, hot.
Pour immediately pasta into the saucepan and then simmer it.
Oh my god, that's a lot of pasta. in a very small saucepan.
So, yeah, you need something a little bit
here,
bigger than this. There you go. Perfect. Thank you. Just kind of cover everything. All right. Is it slippery? Does it need more pasta water? It looks slippery.
All right. What are we supposed to do at this point? Just serve it?
Serve it. There you go. Yeah. No. Here you go. That's a bundle. There we go. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm excited about this. Also, I'm very hungry.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's spicy enough.
You think? I think it needs to be a little more wet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna dump it in, add a little more water.
Do you want water or do you want olive oil?
See, that's why we saved some. Or maybe that's why I should have poured a little more in at the beginning. There you go. Perfect. That looks better.
I'm gonna add Parmesan.
Cheese makes everything better. Would you like to make this more American? They say traditional Italian.
They say traditional Italian.
Hmm.
Is that better?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so overall thoughts?
Mm-hmm.
I just waited until you got food in your mouth. You know that, right? So I like this box a lot. I like how it... I'll just wait. They can't do that to you. So I like this box a lot. I like how it's more than just one dish. It's the bruschetta, it's the pistachio stuff.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, so I like that a lot. I wish they would have said what you needed more on the cards, you know, before we got started, having to run out to the store, grab bread and grab garlic, and maybe you should just have that, but, you know, a lot of people don't. So
yeah.
Other than that, yeah, the instructions are fine. I like the little pictures of what it's supposed to look like. That helps out a lot. It was a very quick process to cook it. I'm sure this
very easy, simple recipe.
Yeah, this doesn't feed 1 through 4. This feeds like 4 through 8.
Right.
So
for very hungry people.
Yeah, and especially with like the delicious bruschetta and everything else, this is very good ingredients.
Absolutely.
The pasta's delicious, the olive oil's great, everything in here is amazing, so this is well worth getting as a gift.
Oh my gosh, this would make such a beautiful gift.
Yeah,
you know, for any occasion.
And it's super easy. You're not giving someone, you know, a 3-hour chore to make dinner.
Right, exactly. I mean, they said, what, 10 minutes to make dinner?
Yeah, and it would have if we weren't screwing around. But,
excluding the time it took to go to the grocery store.
Right. But, yeah, no, I think this is great. I love this box. This is amazing.
Absolutely. This is delicious. I think that it was fun, and I'm excited to sit down and enjoy my pasta with you, baby.
I as well.
My loved one. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all of the information, links, and whatnot in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. I am glad to be back in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy these videos because we really like doing them and we want to do more. So, alright, I guess we'll see you in our next video. Bye!